Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube subscriptions not showing up. First of all you have to do is long press your YouTube icon on your phone and click on the app info on the top. This page will open. From here you have to go to storage and cache. Now from here you have to clear both your cache and your storage. Click on clear cache. Once it's cleared, and you have to also clear the storage as well. Once you've done both of these steps, then you have to check if your problem is fixed or not. But if your problem is still not fixed, all you have to do is open Play Store, go to search and type in YouTube. Click on YouTube and check if there are any updates available for YouTube or not. If you have any pending update, you have to update YouTube to the latest version and click on open. But if your problem has still not been solved, all you have to do is check that you are using the exact same account with which you have subscribed to YouTube Premium. So once you've done that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix YouTube subscriptions not showing up. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.